Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world. This is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily crypto updates and we give you all the opportunities that crypto provides, such as airdrops, DeFi, NFTs, and many things more. We will be covering every Cosmos ecosystem airdrop, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all the upcoming videos. Today we will be covering another Juno airdrop. This is called Coindex. So make sure to watch until the end of the video. First of all, make sure to follow me on Twitter and check out my giveaway that I'm currently doing. I'm giving away one Juno. And this ends April the 16th. Keep in mind, Juno can be worth a lot more in the future. And if you stake this, you could see the FOD airdrop. I will leave a card in the top right corner. The FOD airdrop, you have to stake 0.1 Juno to receive an airdrop of $16,000. So if you win this giveaway, I would recommend start staking your Juno. Alright, let's get into the video of today. Today we're gonna claim our Coindex Airdrop. So we click onto this, visit airdrop. Every link that I use will be dropped in the description of my video. This will guide us to the page where we can claim our airdrop. So when we come to the page, we can see the airdrop details. Coin is claimable starting from April the 5th, 2022. A total of 5,400 coin will be airdropped to Juno delegators. This means stakers. You're delegating to a validator. So to be eligible for the delegator's airdrop, the Juno wallet must have a minimum of 10 Juno delegated, inclusive multiple validators. This means if you're staking to multiple validators. So all eligible Juno address will get the same amount. All coin stakers and liquidity providers are eligible for the special drop. If qualified for both the Juno delegator's airdrop and the special drop, the wallet address receive a higher amount of coin on every distribution. So this is what you need to know about the airdrop. So now let's claim it. Click onto this button. So you just go to your Kepler, choose the network Juno. Click onto copy your address, paste it right here. Click onto claim. Now it's validating, not eligible.
Are you serious?
So I'm staking my Juno, but I'm not eligible. I will be covering right now. If we go back to Twitter, so we can see this tweet 5 hours ago. If you're having trouble claiming, do this and wait. So we will need to do this, but you have to keep in mind the claiming and distribution will run for a week. So 12 April it stops. We have only 2 days left. So click onto this tweet and then we need to go to Discord and submit our Juno wallet address on the airdrop query channel. So I will do that right now. Click onto the Discord. And for everyone who is eligible, you just have to process the claiming process. This is just approving a transaction in Kepler and everything will work out itself. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Once we are now in the Discord, we scroll to the downside and we search for airdrop query. Click onto that. And now you will see a lot of addresses of people. So now just copy your address. You have copied your address in Kepler. Then paste it right here and leave it like this. And normally it should be fixed. I will keep an update. I will leave a comment under this video if things are fixed and if I can claim my airdrop. You can see in the comments a lot of people are upset by the way they are doing this airdrop. First you need to validate, then the airdrop, you're not claimable. Then you have people who already have validated their address and now they are not eligible. So there are some things going on with this airdrop, but make sure to drop your address in the Discord, in the airdrop query, and then maybe later you can claim your airdrop. It's basically free money, so why wouldn't you do it? But yes, I also don't like the way they are approaching this airdrop, but it is what it is. I just wanted to cover this opportunity with the YouTube community. So I hope you like this video, that you give a comment, thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for all the upcoming videos and all the airdrops that I will be covering. I want to thank every single one of you for watching all my videos. Thank you.